go bust. Eye for eye, they can lose trust. Quiet room, busy pop. Where you they go, they go.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kia Cole and I'm back with a video. So we on like day 14, 15, 16 day of quarantine. I don't even know what day it is no more. I don't know what day of the week it is. But all I know is we about to be real cute in the living room on the couch because I just got a new wig. What's up? So hello to all of my new subscribers. If you are new to my channel, I don't usually look like this, but this is just for this video. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you came. If you are new, please make sure you hit that subscribe button below. And if you are returning, what's up, girl? So we gonna be cute today. But anywho, so the wig that I'm gonna be using is from Dola hair. I don't know if you guys remember, I did a video on their hair and I said I wanted to try another texture, so this is what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna just unbox it real quick. I don't want this video to be long, but I gotta get y'all a real tea. I'm gonna open it up, and this is the inside. It's so cute. It says, "Hello, gorgeous." So they sent me a body wave 20-inch wig. Look at that luscious curls. Yes, girl. We don't be like in the house. So this is a lace front, and it has a band. I'm guessing this is like a glueless wig, so you don't need glue, but we're going to use glue today, and I'm going to tell you why. But it also has 3 combs. Bam. And then this is the lace. I don't know how y'all be doing this with the hand, but as you can see, it's already they call it pre-plucked and invisible knots, so I don't have to do anything. Just keep in mind, this is a beginner-friendly video, so I'm not plucking and bleaching no knots because I don't know how to do all that. We're going to just stick to the basics. I'm going to show you how to put this wig on, and we're going to call it a day because we ain't got time for all that. So, yeah, this is really cute, y'all. I cannot wait to see how it looks on. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to install it, and yeah, so get into this. They also put, some other things in here as well. They gave me like a little edge comb brush, and I like this one because it has like the little tail on the end. You know how when you the little combs that we get from the dollar store, it has a little tail on the end so you can press it in. But they send you this little free gift, and then they also sent me some hair clips. Yes, it's gonna be cute. Oh. So on the other hand, the glue that I'm going to be using today, if you guys don't know this young lady, her name is Chanel Brown. I found her on Instagram. Her business is rosegoldpro.com, and she just started her lace glue kit. So this is the packaging that I received. Of course, I already opened it up, but this is how it looks inside. It's so cute. So this comes with 3 items. And I believe I paid $47, but it was on sale. I will put the prices on the screen, and I also will put her Instagram here so you guys can see it. But this little kit comes with the release remover. It's a non-residue lace remover, so if you guys could see that. And then it also comes with the Premier Skin Prep, so if you guys could see that. And last but not least, laid lace glue. So I'm going to be using these 3 to apply this wig. So you guys just stay tuned and we're going to get started. So first I'm going to begin by poking holes where my ears are so that we can keep the cap secured in place. You can use anything like scissors, your fingernails, anything you need to poke a hole. It doesn't have to be a large hole, it's just so we can keep the cap secured. So next I'm going to grab our Premier Skin Prep. This is said to be good to have extra hold, and it allows you to swim, shower, and work out without lifting. This can be a substitution for the Got2b glue, so I love the fact that she includes all of her products in one kit in order for you to apply your lace. I want to add, when using this product, maybe find another applicator to apply it with, because the brush didn't hold much product, so it was a little bit difficult to apply, and it didn't feel like much was coming off of the brush. So maybe if you find another brush to apply it, it might be a little bit easier. Next, I'm going to grab the blow dryer, and I'm going to have the setting on cool, and I'm going to make sure it's dry all the way through. Next, we're going to grab the scissors and cut off the lace that's in the front where we applied the product. So now we're going to grab a rag or a cloth, and you're just going to use some alcohol and clean the forehead, so we can just make sure that this area is nice and clean when we're ready to apply the lace glue. So I'm grabbing my makeup, and I'm just going to fill this in so that it could be the same color as my skin. So now I'm going to put the wig on just so I can have an idea of exactly where it's going to lay, and to make sure that I have it in the proper spot so I'll know where to line my glue up. Okay, so now for the best part. We're going to take the lace glue. This one has a brush so we can apply it easy. And I'm just going to go ahead and brush this across my forehead. It's a little messy, so give me a second. So we're just going to apply it right in front of the cap that we already glued down. You can use a popsicle stick or anything that you need to apply this. I'm just going to use this brush because I'm not an expert. And I'm just going to line this up all across my forehead. So I just want to give you guys a heads up. If you are a beginner, this can be very messy if you don't know what you're doing. Like I said before, this is my second time, so I had glue almost everywhere. I'm sure once I practice a little bit more, I'll get the hang of it. But you don't want to take too long because the glue will start drying, and then it'll be too dry before you apply it to one side. So you just want to make sure that you are doing it in a timely manner. Okay, y'all, so I forgot my hair clips. That would have made my life so much easier while gluing the process. But yeah, don't forget your hair clips before you start putting the glue on there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pull this down. Before I did this step, I did blow dry my hair a little bit just to let the glue dry. I didn't blow dry it too much because you don't want it to be too dry. And I only applied the glue twice. I didn't do 3 layers because I was scared that I probably put too much on the first 2 layers. So I only did 2 layers of glue. And now I'm just going to go ahead and press this in where I applied the glue. And yeah, I'm sorry that I keep looking to the side, but that's what my mirror is. I know it's a little bootleg, but I'm going to get it together, y'all. This is only my first time, so when we do it the next time around, it's going to be a lot better. So we're going to go ahead and cut the lace into 3 sections. I just do 3 lines so then I can have an easier way to cut the lace off while I'm cutting it. You're just going to go ahead and align just the same way as if you were in kindergarten and you cut the shape out of the paper. You're just going to cut the lace off. It's very easy. So I heard the key to melting the lace is to use a hot comb. I didn't really like this hot comb. It was only $12.99 from the beauty supply store, and I couldn't really find what I wanted because like all the stores started closing down. So I'm just going to use this one, and I'm going to run it through the edges so we can lay it down a little bit more. So next we're going to lay the baby hairs. We're just going to do like a little separation part so that we can have a tiny bit of hair in order to do that part. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my scissors and just cut a small amount of hair. It doesn't have to be too long because baby hairs aren't that long anyway. So I'm just going to cut it off. So now I'm going to grab the Nairobi foaming lotion. You can use a foaming lotion or a mousse. This is just to lay the hairs down flat before you wrap your scarf around it. This is also a good method to lay down the baby hairs instead of using Gorilla Snot or edge control. So it'll look a little bit more natural and it won't be hard and stiff and you won't have any flakiness. Alright y'all, so I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and remove this scarf. I done did my makeup and I curled the hair a little bit. I'm not an expert, but I did what I could. I did my little dollar. So we're going to just remove this so y'all can see what it looks like. I'm nervous. Like I tried to do the little baby hairs, but I got to watch some more tutorials. But y'all see what it is? Ooh. Y'all see this? What? Yes. Ooh, it looks so natural and nice looking. Let me get a little closer. Look at that, y'all. I tried the baby hairs, but it wasn't working, but it looked like my hair. So we did good. I don't want to say I melted that lace because I probably didn't know what the hell I was doing, but I did a pretty good job for a beginner who don't do my own hair. I might have to start doing my own hair. Shoot. Booking, y'all. Click the link in the bio to book me. I'm just playing. But yes, I didn't have to put makeup. I didn't have to pluck. I didn't bleach. Like, this is just straight out the box. What's up? Straight out the box. I love it. The glue, it feels so secure. Like, I just spent like 75 or 100 or 125 or however much some girls be charging to put your lace on. Yeah, it feels secure. So that lace glue did the job. Let me part it a little bit so you guys can see, like, you could do free parting. I don't want to mess up my little thing because I did all this work to get it laid down right. But yeah, y'all see them parts? I ain't got time to pluck and all that because I don't know how to do all that, child. But this is everything, y'all. This just showed me that us girls, we could do anything that we want. I'm in the house. Like, I just said, you know what? I'm going to put on my own wig, do my own hair. Somebody else braided it for me, but y'all, black girl magic. We could do whatever we want. Look, I just look like I just went to the salon. Ooh. Dola hair. I think you got a customer again. I know that first one wasn't working out for me, but this body wave is everything. The wave, it just bounces and it moves. And like, all I need is a fan. And then this lace glue, like everything in this video was perfect. And y'all know I'm very honest. Like, I'm gonna tell y'all like it is. One thing I can say is the lace glue is very messy. Maybe because I didn't know what I was doing. I probably needed like a little stick to apply. But other than that, like the hair, when I was curling it or combing it, it has minimum shedding. Like, ain't nothing else I can say because look, I ain't even have to do nothing. Like, I tried to do like a little baby hair swoop right here. I had some over here, but it didn't work out, so I just erased it. But I don't think you can erase baby hairs, but I took it away. But y'all see that? Yes. Ooh, yes. Honey. I got sweatpants, but anywho, before I go, I just want to say, if you guys are feeling my earrings, just make sure you check out my website. It's rtkey.com. I will be posting it very soon. I will have beauty products, accessories, and so much more different services that I have to offer. So yeah, you guys just make sure you go check it out and follow my Instagram. It's rtkey collection, and my regular page is It's Kia Cole. So you guys, that's all I have for today. If you guys were feeling this video, just make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit that notification button so you can see any videos that I post. But yeah, your girl finna be cute on the couch quarantining with my wine, watching Netflix. Oh, Netflix and chill, honey. But anywho, y'all have a good day. Be safe. Make sure you wash your hands. Don't go in the grocery store. Don't call for nobody. Stock up. If it's too late, then you better hurry up. But thank you guys for watching. Peace.